Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video will be about More Hotel Istanbul room tour. Let's get started. Okay, this is how it looks. We already spent this one night with my mom, so it's a little messy, but it's okay. The main one will be showed for you. Hi guys. Okay, so here they provided shampoo, body wash, body lotion and hair conditioner. Everything is here, is good. Okay, the shower, good shower. Also, I want to tell you that it was provided by Turkish Airlines for people who have 20+ hours fully over. Okay, so they provided the slippers, but you need to tell them about this. Okay, this is the juices from breakfast. They also provided water in the refrigerator. It's the 9th floor. Little dirty windows, but it's fine. The view to the casa, to the church. Little loud in the night. The church was very bright in the night time, and you see the noise. For me, it's fine. I love the noise of big cities, so I love it. Okay, so this is how the room looks like. Very clean, very good. Sheets. Also, they provide water, coffee and tea. We already used the tea and coffee. The place where you can put your baggage or your dresses. The safe with code. The refrigerator. Okay, the sheets was not too good, you know, little dirty and very old. You see, very dark sheets. This is how it was, you know, so be careful. The sheet is not too clean here. No, they are not dirty, but they was not new. So thank you for watching this video. I also uploaded the breakfast of this hotel. Turkish breakfast are incredible. Thank you for watching this video, and see you on my next one, and bye bye.